Hello and welcome back to another video here at KTN Gaming. Back on the Amiga, we run a game called Advantage Tennis. Let's have an exhibition. Go for New York. Oh, they got World Trade Center behind it. Right, let me just turn audio on. Right, let's see how we do this one then. Let's have a look. Can't even get it out now. Alright, did it. We've got a bit of rally going on here. I don't exactly know what buttons like, I'm just kind of pressing out, but I mean, that worked good in. Missed it. So I think you hold it down. No, guess not. Try A. A works better. Out of bounds. Missed it. Missed it again. Have some of that. So I know if you hold that down, it does it a bit better. Missed it. God, he's thrashing me, I tell you. Missed it again. I can serve it. That's not bad, it's returning it. Right, so I want to move up a bit. Oh no, he's swinging. See, it's a lot easier when you're on bottom. Missed it. It's got a bit of a lag to it, like, you know. Just trying to go down inside. should just get it, but he's going to finger it in here for you. Yeah, got me now. No chance for that one. Way off on that one, way off. Proper got me on that one. Got me again on that one. I mean, I don't know if anyone watching can remember this. See, I think I copied this off someone. Yeah, he's locked bracket down. He's like, I've had enough of this. Yeah, so that were Advantage Tennis. Let me just turn the thing off. Yeah, so if you like I said, if you remember all these, like obviously games, I mean, I think I copied this off someone. I think they were a lad. I think he was in my year at school. He had shitloads of games, and I went round to his house for tea. You know, like I used to go for tea back then. And he lent me loads of games. He had like a massive fold, like a plastic, like a storage thing, and it had a key on it, and he lent it me because I think I don't think he played the Amiga much. I think he upgraded to Mega Drive at that point, or his dad bought him Christmas. I can't remember that. I know his sister had Super Nintendo, and I think he had Mega Drive. And he didn't play Amiga500 much, so he just lent me all his games, and he had a massive like container full. So I copied all ones what I thought were good, and I think this were one of them. But I don't think I played it long. They're only like select few, but I just thought I'd just do a showcase just to show you, like obviously like my games what I had. So I hope you're enjoying what I thought were like decent games. You might disagree or you might obviously agree. So yeah, that's it for today. Not a super long video. So yeah, please like, subscribe if you're enjoying my Amiga stuff, and I'll see you next one.